Hello everyone. I am talking about bad habits that can prevent you from achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. These harmful habits can damage your physical and mental health, limit your potential, and hinder your progress. But the good news is that it is possible to recognize and overcome bad habits and replace them with good ones that can bring positive changes to your life. In this video, I will guide you through some tips and strategies to help you avoid bad habits and achieve a successful in life. Let's begin by understanding what bad habits are and how they can impact our lives. Part 1. There are several bad things or habits that can hinder your progress towards success. Here are some of them. Number 1. Procrastination. Delaying tasks or projects that need to be done can lead to missed opportunities and reduced productivity. Number 2. Negative thinking. Having a negative mindset with self-doubt or diminishing thoughts can lead to a lack of confidence and indecisiveness. Number 3. Fear of failure. Being afraid to try new things or take risks due to fear of failing can prevent you from achieving your goals. Number 4. Lack of discipline. Being disorganized, unwilling to stay focused, and lacking control over your impulses can limit your success. Number 5. Not taking responsibility. Blaming others for your mistakes and not taking ownership of your actions can prevent you from learning from your mistakes and growing. Number 6. Poor time management. Wasting time on unimportant tasks or failing to prioritize your important tasks can create a backlog of work you won't be able to finish. Number 7. Lack of self-care. Neglecting your physical or mental health can lead to burnout, decreased motivation, and reduced productivity. Number 8. Resistance to change. Being resistant to change and being stuck in your ways can prevent you from adapting to new situations and potentially valuable opportunities. Number 9. Lack of perseverance. Giving up too easily at the first sign of difficulty can prevent you from achieving success. Number 10. Overcommitment. Taking on too many tasks and responsibilities can lead to stress, burnout, and reduced productivity. Number 11. Comparing yourself with others. Constantly comparing yourself to others and measuring your success based on their achievements can lead to feelings of inadequacy and slower growth. Number 12. Lack of focus. Failing to maintain focus on important tasks can decrease productivity and result in inefficient use of time. Part 2. It is possible to overcome them by adopting some helpful strategies as below. Number 1. Identify the bad habit. The first step to overcoming any bad habit is to identify it. This means recognizing the behavior and acknowledging its negative impact on your life. Number 2. Find the root cause. Once you have identified the habit, try to understand why it is happening. This could be due to stress, anxiety, boredom, or lack of self-discipline. Knowing the root cause can help you to develop effective strategies for dealing with it. Number 3. Visualize the negative consequences. Try to visualize the negative consequences of your bad habit. For example, if you have a habit of procrastinating, imagine the impact it will have on your work or study. This can help you to motivate yourself to change. Number 4. Replace it with a good habit. Consider replacing the bad habit with a good one. For example, if you tend to eat junk food when you are bored, try replacing it with a healthy snack or drink. This will not only help you to break the habit, but will also have a positive impact on your health. Number 5. Find support. Surround yourself with supportive people who can help you to overcome the bad habit. This could be family, friends, or a professional coach. Number 6. Develop self-discipline. Developing self-discipline is key to breaking any bad habit. This includes setting clear goals, creating a plan of action, and holding yourself accountable for your actions. Number 7. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate every small victory or progress you make towards breaking the bad habit. This will help to increase your motivation and give you the confidence to continue your journey towards success. In summary, avoiding bad habits is essential for achieving success in any area of life. You can become more productive, focused, motivated, learn from your mistakes, take on new challenges, adapt to change. Then you can overcome any bad habit and achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of your support and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching.